Hello everyone, today amazing peanut cookies. You will never believe the flavor and taste of that kind of peanut cookies. Absolutely fantastic. Taste is wonderful, unique. The dough is crunchy. It's very positive energy feeling when you eat this kind of cookies. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younes, corporate pastry chef for many cruise line, Royal Caribbean, Pullman Tour, Younes UK, MCC and Norwegian cruise line. Let's start. 200 gram peanut, 80 gram of icing sugar or powder sugar. The Robo cup, if you have kitchen process, will be much faster. So I put in normal blender but very high speed, and that give very soft dough. It's like praline but with different techniques. As you see, from time to time I stop with the scraper. I bring all the side in the middle, so I make sure that the whole becomes praline or peanut butter. It takes 3-4 minutes depending about the faster of RoboCup or the blender you have. One more time until it becomes dough. You can see it becomes soft and you can use it now as a dough or filling for our new techniques of cookies. You can see it becomes very soft dough, and we keep aside. Then we make our cookies dough. 120 gram flour, all-purpose flour, 30 gram normal butter room temperature, pinch of salt, 10 gram sugar powder, 40 ml of fresh cream or fresh milk, 1 egg yolk. So easy, you do it by hand, you don't need machine. So amazing dough. Pinch of salt with the butter. Don't worry, all ingredients I will leave it in description box below. When it becomes soft, I added the egg yolk, 1 egg yolk. Keep softening the dough. It's so easy when you keep the butter 2 hours room temperature. It becomes very soft. I added 10 gram of icing sugar to the flour. Then I added all ingredients and I mix my dough. Flour and sugar powder. You can see it started thickener, so I remove the scraper. I use my hand to be more efficient. I added 40 ml of fresh cream. Normally I use fresh cream, but you can use fresh milk. It will give you the same, but fresh cream is more rich dough. Use my hand. Make sure that all ingredients combine together. You have very nice dough. It's between sablé and tart dough or pie dough. You can see it takes all, there is no extra flour. You must use exactly measurement to have always consistency in your dough. I need the dough for 30-40 seconds to make sure that it's really elasticy, and I cover it and keep in the fridge. I cover plastic, leave in the fridge 1 hour. After 1 hour I remove. Rolling bin, little dust of the flour, then I use rolling bin to spread the dough, and you will see the dough is still not resting. I will keep back in the fridge. You always do that when you spread any dough and you feel it's not easy. You cover plastic, put back in the fridge for half an hour, then after half an hour you remove it from the fridge until you can see very easy to rolling the dough. You cut square shape or rectangular shape, to be all the same. I take the leftover, I keep back in the fridge. I roll it more because I need only 1.5 millimeter high, maximum 2 millimeter. You can see. I take peanut butter dough. If you don't have whole peanut, you can use peanut butter. 200 gram peanut butter, you increase 80 gram of icing sugar. Then I brush with water. You brush with water, as you see, and then I close the roll completely. Make sure there is no open dough to leak out the feeling of peanut. So you can cut, as you see, so easy. You can push in the middle to make different shape. The best in this dough, you can shape it many type of shape, and you can present it every week or every day with different looking or new shape. You can put straight, you can shape it little bit, half moon. The leftover, after half an hour in the fridge, I take out. So we'll make, there is one type of Moroccan dough, they call it Ka'b al-Ghazal, but it's not the same, it's completely different dough. But I try to use this shape because it looks much better and different. So I roll the peanut. Water, close the dough. You can see very important to close the edges of the dough. And here how I cut to give air so the roll not break, and how you shape it with your finger, many type. And this is the way of Moroccan do it, but it's completely different recipe. One day I make it soon. So as you see, it's like pyramids on top, so you can shape it whatever you want. And then we cut to allow the dough to cook inside and to avoid to explode. You can use your imagination in the dough. Then you egg wash, one egg, little bit of milk, and then you have your own shiny egg wash. You bake it 170 for 15 minutes and you have amazing new idea of peanut. It will change your opinion about peanut. Have a beautiful day, guys. Please make share